everyone, my name is Priyanka and welcome to my channel. So today's video is completely based on one of my favorite TV shows, that is Friends. I actually did the similar video for my Instagram, but accidentally 2-3 months back I deleted it. And instead of reposting the same video on Instagram, I thought of making an extended version of the same video for YouTube. So this video is actually going to be an extended version of my previous video on Instagram. By the way, I really love Friends, like each and every character of that series. So there are basically two reasons for why I love this series. The first reason is that the series is very light-hearted. It makes you laugh, but it also doesn't leave any deep thought in your mind. And the second reason is that the clothes they wore, from Rachel to Monica to Phoebe and Chandler, they were so stylish, and the series itself has set so many fashion trends that we can still follow, and this video is gonna be all about those fashion trends. So I think without talking much, let's get started.
So turtleneck, I think, is one of a dress form which can be worn in like n number of ways, starting from pairing it with the jeans to pairing it with the sari. And since it's winters, I think this is the perfect season to wear all your turtleneck tops with like almost anything. This outfit is just very simple. I've just enhanced this whole outfit by adding a scarf and a flower clip on it. Here I'm again wearing a black simple mini skirt and I'm pairing it with the striped turtleneck top. I feel that this much of skin show is really good for me, because I like the skin show in a proper ratio or proportion, and this really works for me. And I have just enhanced the whole look by adding a fanny pack and the sport shoes, and I'm good to go. I feel that this outfit is so winter appropriate. I think that the turtleneck top is perfect, the long skirt is perfect, and the boots are also very perfect. But if you feel that you need your legs to be covered, then you can definitely wear your knee high or the thigh high boots, and trust me, you'll look amazing and you'll definitely rock the whole winter season with this outfit. You wanna wear those strappy or single strap tops, then why not wear it in winters? It's just that layer something over or under it and you'll rock the strappy top and you'll rock winters as well. So this is what I would prefer this winter, just layering and layering it up. Turtleneck tops, sweaters, or shrugs are a really good option when it comes to layering. In fact, this shirt is also rocking the whole look. This look is giving me a complete old school vibe, and I think instead of pairing your short dress with the shirt, you can definitely go for your single strap maxi dresses. Monica, Rachel, and Phoebe were also wearing these kind of outfits once or twice in the whole series, and trust me, they also rocked this whole look. Why not rock this winter with your ethnic wear? Why not wear your turtleneck tops or your sweaters with your kurtis? I think this is one of the amazing ways where you can pair your kurti with a turtleneck top and give it sort of a modern ethnic look. I personally would definitely love to wear this kind of outfit in my office as well. Try different kind of thing, girls. Layer it up. I think this layering concept is so perfect for winters, and particularly this outfit is just very perfect for a weather like Mumbai, where you don't actually experience winters, but थोड़ी बहुत ठंड तो होती है. So layering a thin sarong top or a blazer will work there. all the three leading ladies were layering some or the other things on their normal dresses just to make it look good. And I think the trend of layering has literally come from there. The next one is overall. So Phoebe was wearing most of her overalls, or I should say dungarees, when she was shown as pregnant in the show. While you'll notice Monica and Rachel wearing the overalls or the dungarees in the first two seasons. I think the complete look of your outfit when you're wearing your dungaree is dependent on the top you wear inside the dungaree. I feel if you're wearing a top like this, like a ruffle top, then you may look a little casual yet very classy and sexy. Whereas if you're wearing a turtleneck top, just as I'm wearing here with a denim dungaree, then I think it gives you a little sporty and a casual vibe. I think that your full sleeves top or your shirts will also work if you're thinking of wearing your dungarees or your overalls in winters. And instead of wearing the sports shoes, you can go for your boots as well. And I think you'll rock the whole look. I think when Monica paired that light colored denim shirt with her normal jeans became an iconic outfit, and it's very easy to recreate that whole look. So here I'm pairing a wide leg jeans with a normal turtleneck crop top and a denim jacket with it. And I think denim jacket goes almost with everything, and when it comes to pairing it with the jeans, then of course it definitely looks perfect. I love this look. Now I tried to recreate Monica's iconic look, and I think I just did a pretty good job. I think when you're in confusion of choosing your outfit, especially when going to college, then you can definitely go with a denim shirt. You can layer your denim shirt with a crop top, or you can simply tie a knot and you look perfect. There's nothing much to say. I feel that if you are the someone who likes to try things, if you are the someone who likes to try different looks and outfits on themselves, then you can definitely go for this trend. Just tie a little knot on your simple button down shirt, and you'll definitely change the whole vibe of that outfit. I think I was getting a workout vibe when I was wearing this dress, and yeah, this look is one of my favorite look. There's like nothing much in this whole look, but it's giving me such a sophisticated and very sexy feeling from inside. And I feel that pairing your heavy earrings or jewelry with such an outfit will look amazing, and this is what I did. I just wore very heavy earrings with it just to complement my whole simple look. I'm a big fan of oversized shirts or even t-shirts. So what I did here is I just took this shirt, which is actually my father's shirt, and paired it up with culottes. I think this outfit is very perfect for office, and I can simply rock this outfit like anywhere. You can pair your normal heels or jutis, but loafers will do a great job. My obsession for oversized t-shirts is so much that I always keep an eye over my brother's wardrobe, and this is, I think, one of his favorite t-shirts, and this is one of my favorite t-shirts from his wardrobe as well. So this is basically my Instagram post some 6 to 7 months back, and I tried to create a sort of a different outfit from this.
Thank you so much for watching the video, and I really hope that you like it. Also, I feel that some of these trends are very perfect for winters as well. For example, sleeveless or short dresses can be worn in winters by layering other form of dresses over or under it. Also, if you're not waxed या हल्की सी ठंड हो but you really want to wear your favorite strappy top, then you can definitely layer a denim jacket or a denim shirt over it and you'll be good to go. So I feel that this video is somewhat useful for winters as well. And I think that's it for today's video. Also, my favorite character from Friends is Monica. Though I'm very messy, but I still like her cleaning obsession, or you can call it as OCD. So please comment down below which one is your favorite character. And I think that's it for today's video. And I hope that you really like it, and if you really did, then please give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends if you found it useful, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also do follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye, stay safe.